Hi everybody, so welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to do a get ready with me. This is what I do every single day for my makeup. The products change every once in a while depending on what kind of look I'm going for, or what kind of coverage I'm going for, or what kind of finish I'm going for, but the steps stay the same. So if you guys are interested in how I came up with this look or how I do my makeup on a daily basis, just keep on watching. I've already done my skincare, and I will have an updated skincare routine coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. But for today, I'm going to prime with the NYX Total Contour Draft Foundation. I've been obsessing over this primer lately, so I'm just going to do a few drops on my face, on my cheeks. I'm just going to blend that out. Today I'm just going to work, so I do need something that's going to last me all day pretty much, and my skin is feeling a little bit on the oilier side, so I do want something that's going to be more mattifying. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the second primer, or a second product, and this is a Cover FX Custom Blotting Drops. I'm just going to do a few drops here on my cheeks, and especially just right in the center here, because that's where I get oily. If I do get oily throughout the day, it's right in this section right here, like where my makeup starts separating, especially on days where I'm feeling like extra oily. So I'm just going to blend all this out and concentrate it mainly right here in the center of the face. Okay, so for concealer, I'm going to use that Shape Tape Concealer by Tarte, and I'm in the color medium. I'm just going to focus this product right in the inner corners here, and then drag it down on the side of my nose because I do get a lot of redness around here. So I want to cover that like that, and I'm going to blend that out with a beauty blender. Okay, so for foundation, I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter Foundation, and I'm in the shade 7.0. So I'm just going to do one pump for each side, and that's usually enough. And I'm going to pick it up with the same beauty blender and then just start blending it into the skin. This is where I spend most of my time, is blending out my foundation, just to make sure that everything is melted into the skin and it just looks a lot more smoother. To set that all in place, I'm going to use the Midnight Luxury powder in the color Buff. And I'm going to pick it up with the same beauty blender and just press it onto the skin. I'm not a big fan of baking, so I don't normally bake, but I do like to press my powders into the skin as opposed to like buffing them, or like using like a powder brush. I'll just pick it up on the beauty blender and then I'll just press it onto the skin. I'm concentrating most of the product right underneath the eyes, and then whatever's left, I'll kind of just go all over the face. For bronzer, I'm going to use the MAC Give Me Sun Mineralized Skin Finish. And then to apply it, I'm going to use this NYX brush number 21. Okay, and now for highlighter, I'm going to use, what should I use? What should I do? Okay, so today for highlighter, I'm going to use Fuego highlighter by Dose of Colors, with a collaboration with Desi and Katie. And I'm going to use a NYX brush again, and this is the number 24. Okay, so when I put highlighter on, I literally put it like all over, not just up here. Like I literally like to go all the way down here and all the way up to my temple and up above the brow. And then sometimes I even go underneath my eye. But that's usually where I apply my highlighter. The highlighter, no highlighter. So then after I do my highlighter, I like to go over it with my bronzer brush and kind of just blend everything again. So for the eyes, I don't do anything to my eyebrows really. I just kind of go over them with the NYX brow mascara, and I use the color Espresso number 4, and I literally just brush them in place. Nothing fancy. I do for my brows. Okay, so now for mascara, today I'm going to use the Worth the Hype mascara by NYX. This is a newly launched mascara. Okay, so what I do for my mascara is I like to look down at a mirror, and I like to lift up here, and then I like to work the wand right at the lash base, and then you start building those lashes up. I really do like really thick lashes. A couple of clumps don't bother me, and if it gets really messy around the eye, it doesn't bother me either. I actually kind of like that look, so I kind of just go crazy like that. See, mascara, no mascara. Okay, so my camera died, so we missed the final step. So the only thing I did was I added more mascara on the bottom lash line, and then for the lips, I used a combination of the Kylie Jenner matte lipstick in 20, and then I topped it off with the NYX Butter Gloss and Tiramisu, like that. And then for the final step, I'm gonna use the MAC Mineralized, what's called Charged Water Charcoal Spray. And I'm just gonna do a few spritz of that. And we are good to go. That is all. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did like it, please give it a thumbs up. And in the comment section, just give me any suggestions of what other videos I should film. And that's it. I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!